Hey everybody, I just wanted to welcome you to our Community Maker Night at Cash Makers. We are kind of just going over some of the things that we do. So science, entrepreneurship, we do robotics, coding, a lot of 3D printing, sewing, a lot of aviation. Today we have a couple of really cool visitors. So we have Land Northward Laser Art, and that's Justin. Thanks for coming. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do at your company?
So I just started it, so I'm just getting going, but I'm basically doing artwork like this to sell to people, and I've done things like keychain engraving for some companies, artwork like this. It's just getting started, so I'm still exploring, but it's kind of fun.
You're doing some really cool stuff.
It's really fun.
Thanks so much for sharing it with our community. And he came all the way from Ogden. Yes. Oh, cool. We're looking forward to seeing you again, hopefully soon.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
We also have a Your Dream Home Youth Challenge that we're launching today. So we have Justin from a local architect company, and we also have Craig Pettit, who is our woodshop guide. Let's see what they're doing really fast.
Those are all secondary. My client wanted everyone to walk into the showroom. Okay, so think about that. So maybe make a list of all the rooms that you want in your house.
So those are some potential dream home designers. Oh, and yesterday we had a bunch of volunteers come and clean the space, and it looks really great. So thank you to everyone. Oh, in here we're doing some laser and leather work. And Peter Reed is leading this group in here. This is our wood shop. We have some Boy Scouts.
One piece, right?
So we'll just take a peek.
Now something that's really important is this leather needs to be flat. So did anyone grab a piece of leather that they wanted to work? Let's see. Somebody want this one? Okay, so look at that leather, right? It's pretty flat, right? If you guys want one, you can go ahead and get a piece of leather and we can cut it out. Now there's two designs we can do.
I'll go get it, okay?
Cool. So they're learning all about how you use laser cutters with leather. So that'll be really exciting. We had a recent class and it was really successful. We had bookmarks, we have some knife sheaths, and what else was made in that? A bag, a leather bag. Yeah, so we have a couple of folks talking about the 3D printers. So we hope you visit us either tonight or next month. Our Community Maker Meetup is every first Wednesday of the month from 7 to 9 p.m. and we have an exciting guest coming next time, an artist that incorporates engineering. So keep an eye out for that and keep on making. Thank you.